Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a simple way to place your YouTube video inside your website. I'm going to open my browser and right click on the video. I'm going to click copy embed code and I'm going to open my HTML editor and I'm going to place it here. And I'm going to save it and I refresh my browser. So this is the video that I copied a few seconds ago. This is the video. Now I'm going to play it now to see if it is actually working. Yeah, cool.
Boxing is a
So this is the easy way. This is the easy way to place your video, YouTube video, inside your website. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.